How to redeem gift card balance on Amazon. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can redeem your gift card balance on Amazon. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem your gift card balance, it could be any type of gift card which you received and you want to redeem them for your Amazon account. Then it's very simple. You just have to go ahead and then launch the Amazon application on your iPhone or Android. And once you've done so, just tap on the profile looking icon, which is basically going to be at the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on that specific icon over here on this list of these options, you just have to select the one that says your account, which is lying at the very top as you could see in this image. And once you've done so, you'll be taken to your account page, and over here we're going to scroll down a little bit to the bottom until we find the payment section. And once you find payment section, you want to look for the subcategory that is called manage gift card balance over here. So just tap on manage gift card balance, and as you've done so, you'll be able to see your available gift card balance. If you want to redeem another gift card balance, just tap on the option that says redeem another gift card, and it says redeem using gift card claim code, so just tap on it. Now alternatively, you can also scan your claim code by using your phone's camera, but if you want to enter the code manually, you can just go ahead and then enter all those digits over here, right here in this box. Make sure everything is entered correctly, because even if there is a singular mistake, you will not be able to redeem it properly. And after you've done so, just tap on this orange button that says apply to your balance, and it also says a little disclaimer at the bottom that says the entire gift card amount will be stored in your account and it is never going to expire. So you just have to keep that in mind. Enter your gift card balance and then tap on the apply to your balance button, which is at the bottom. That's all it takes to redeem your Amazon gift card balance on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.